Okay, this is my very first, this is my very first official YouTube video, the one we shall be uploading. It's not like the first, because I recorded the other one, didn't record it for reasons I'll be hearing later. But on this new week, there are some movements which I'm expecting, because this is the last week of October, and I know that the markets tend to be crazy, but also there is a ton of money to be made throughout all this chaos and craziness. So before I kickstart the video, the pairs which I'll be sharing the ones like these are the pairs which I'm sure of, which will be the XAUUSD, which is gold, I think USDCAD, Euro USD, and do apologize for the noise. Yeah, I think XAUUSD. I'll do an update as the week progresses, but for now I think I have only these three, so video might be longer, shorter, I don't know, but for whatever. So this is the analysis which I've made like a couple of minutes ago. So I'll just erase everything, then start off afresh, so that you better understand. Yeah, for a better understanding, but I probably might get confused, but it's fine. First of all, here's how it came about. I went to the 4 hour. Today is Monday, by the way, 23rd of October. I saw something like this here. That is the half of this particular cell candle. Then I sort of identified this. I think I can see some sort of mini change of character or something like that. My asset is a bit slow, but a bit better today. So I'm expecting reversals right around, like it may push here, but I'm expecting to buy, basically. I'm more keen on buys than sells. This is how it's looking on the 2 hour. Right. Nothing too complicated here. Like this particular 2 hour zone is present basically, I think, in all time frames. A bit confusing here, I know. But initially this is where it all started on the 15th. So I'm just gonna delete everything again, because I got rid of the complicated stuff. Yeah. So on the 15-minute time frame, I have identified this particular candle. It's a form of a doge. I think I'm not too familiar with candlesticks, so yeah. But I do know their functions. So long as the thing can make me money, I mean, you know, right? So from this here, I am let me just do the full screen. Yeah, I think it's better this way. Basically, my ultimate zone is the 2000 level. This one, $2,000. Gold is measured in dollars. So basically, now we're just on $1979.820. So I'm expecting a buy right around this particular zone here. And so I'm like, it's plain here and simple. To enhance my analysis or my probabilities, I've also identified a break of structure. to the upper side. Basically, gold has been breaking structures, breaking structures, testing. The one big flaw I can say I have with this particular trade, which I am anticipating, is the stop out level, stop out amount rather. If you were to go against me, then yeah, it's huge bucks, you know. Like, I mean, literally. Also, yes, we outstretch this one. So basically, you can just see that if this trade were to go against me, like, it's a potential $7 loss, literally. It's $7. Like, if a big account, that's not a problem. But imagine you are sending out a signal to somebody who's using a 0.01. 0.01, literally $6 is gone. So you have to thread carefully there. Now, when I go to something of an hour time frame, I'm expecting some reversals right around here, right on this fair value gap. Let me call it. Obviously, is here a ton of liquidity has been taken out. So this makes this reversal, unless if maybe this trade just tested off the what you call the fair value gap around here. But I'm anticipating something like this. Let me use this one instead. Something like this here. Come here, take me in. Then yeah, then I'm going for on time, like for buys, basically potential of $40 can be made, which is quite a lot for a 0.1 position. So if I were to enter on this 1954.396, the trade will have less risk, which is obviously what I want. Yeah, I think this is a much safer and realistic zone, right? So yeah, basically this is all for USD CAD. Let me go to the 4-hour too for some potential. Like on the 4-hour here, I am seeing this nice, very nice demand zone. Obviously, it is still far, but the reason I am out highlighting it is just for potential pitfalls. Potential pitfalls, right? Okay, I had paused for a bit there. Now looking at the 4-hour, this very nice demand zone, like it'll always make a great buying area, provided that gold actually actually breaks below this particular low, something like this, yeah. Which is what I'm anticipating. It is just a rough sketch, taking obviously all this trend line liquidity, right? So it is my anticipation for this. But as far as things go with how gold is looking, I highly doubt that will break below. But if that happens, this is my current anticipation. So I'll probably look for selling positions around these particular zones as it's going down. Then I'm gonna rise back up with it. So that is all for XAU USD for now. I will do a recap later on, but for now I'm just gonna pause this video to go back to my analysis, and then we'll jump in straight to USD CAD. Okay. Okay, welcome back once again. Let me delete this past USD CAD analysis. So right now I'm just gonna do a very quick one. So basically, right off the bat, we can just tell this guy's really making us money. Again, I do apologize for that. So with USD CAD right off the bat, you can tell that as we were ending September, we ended with like super massive buys, considering the massive sell streak. Then basically, like for September, I sort of anticipated more buys than this weird consolidation. So basically, right off the bat, I can just anticipate buys as well, not necessarily sells, unless because we are already like sort of below this particular zone, and it is the last week of the month, so anything might happen at this point, but I'm keen on my buys. Now, for now, I'm looking at this weird 4-hour demand zone, which on the 2-hour and 1 hour is much more simplified. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick description. Obviously, liquidity, something to also look out for, right? 2-hour, don't want to waste too much time. 2-hour, we have this nice doji-like candlestick as well. I'm just gonna delete that zone there. We also had this doji-like candlestick, which was a catalyst to this upward move, which sort of in a way broke structure but created liquidity, which was like sooner taken out very quickly. Today is a Monday, 23rd of October, so this video should be uploaded by today. So I don't want to waste too much time, like you guys getting your info late on time. So okay, I'm back once again. So with USD CAD, well, for a more safer move, I think I'll wait for USD CAD to either reach this zone, then we get a reaction, and then continue with movements to the upper side. What will invalidate my my prediction or setup at this current point in time? Well, let me remove this zone. This one will stay. Okay, one thing that I can say might have an impact on this current setup would be let me show something here. I'm just gonna do this extremely black to demonstrate a particular point. This is a low. This is my high. This is my lower high. Kind of forgot the basics of market structure, but yeah, obviously this is the midpoint, right, between these two zones. This zone is definitely my discounted zone. Premium is a discount. Yeah, discounted zone, right? So you can just tell this is a low, high, low, high, low. Well, this is where I'm expecting to buy. So basically, now I'm just focusing on this particular mini trend, right? So that way, my trading is more simplified. There isn't unnecessary information. There isn't like a lot of BS and stuff. So it's my analysis is much more potent. Hope that's a word. So basically, might play around here, but then a movement up to this zone, then yes, it's definitely guaranteed. Like I feel genuinely good about it. But obviously, like this is a currency pair like this. You can see just like 32 pips. Potential stop loss is like $3, right? 0.01. And 133 pips potential profit is like $13, which is like good money, obviously. But I do urge and caution the viewer to do thorough research. You can also comment down like your views, opinions, what I may have possibly missed. Nobody's perfect. So yeah. But so basically this is it. So basically I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna have to monitor this USD CAD as it is approaching and playing around this particular zone. So looking at it, obviously a break below this particular zone, starting off with this one, obviously, would be some sort of invalidation to my trades, to this setup. But a break below this one would mean that, okay, moves to the downside are well in play, but there's also this zone to watch out for, right? Now let me go back to the 4-hour. I hope this isn't too confusing. I certainly hope so. Let's wait for these values to, okay, you can clearly see that K was coming down, had a change of market character here. Many like, so to like basically most of the upside are well in play here. We will definitely be breaking this high here, heading to the 38,000 level, 38,500 level. Those are areas which I'm watching out for. So yeah, this is USD CAD. Let's go to the 15. On the 15, I'm not exactly hoping for much. I may say that I'm waiting for a retest up to like this 37,300, but then it's a premature entry. It's just something to look out for. I might refine this zone further, but as I've said, I'm gonna observe it from a higher time frames perspective, because this is a currency, so there's a lot of factors which influence this, and its moves are a little bit different as compared to indices and your gold as well. So for now, this is all I have for USD CAD. Let me pause this video while I look for another pair. I think Euro USD, maybe in USD, but we'll see. Okay, guys, I think I'll end this recording here for now because my PC is running a bit low on battery. But just summarize everything up. I'll just summarize gold and what I'm expecting for today. Something of this nature. Basically, this is what I'm expecting. But like for this week, basically, because it's possible that what I'm waiting for might not happen today, might happen Wednesday, Thursday, or whenever. So basically, I'll just end it here. So as for now, this is me, the trader Isaac, signing out. I thank you for your time, guys. Thank you.